What's up, you guys? My name is Lindsay and you're watching my channel, A Sight to See. And today we're doing something very different and very exciting. So never in my life have I ever backpacked up a mountain with camping equipment prepared to camp. But today we are hiking to the tallest mountain in New York, Mt.Marcy, and we're spending the night. I have Dylan with me, who y'all have seen before. And we are taking one adventurous camper, but she will not be able to be in my video for obvious reasons. But we only had one camper wanting to do this hike, so it's kind of cool that I'm getting paid to do this. Oh, have about 40 pounds on our back. It's gonna be interesting. I have no idea how this is gonna go, but let's find out. We've been killing it. We saw the Marcy Dam and we only have about a mile left to our campsite where we finally get to unload this like 40 pounds of baggage. So let's do it. That was long and strenuous, but we made it to our campsite. There's no one else here. It's great. I'm so glad to put that thing on the ground because I've never hiked that far with 40 pounds in my back, but success. Let's hope there's no bears tonight. Bathroom with style. Bathroom in nature. How nice. I'm tired. I don't even want to lift that lid up. How you doing?
Good.
Hey guys, we're like true wilderness camping right now. So we got a water filter and we're gonna fill up our water bottles with some purified stream water. Peanut butter and jelly for dinner. We got the sick tent set up. Counselor's tent. Good morning. The nature looks a lot better than I do right now, so we'll just put that out there. It's so beautiful waking up here. It's a little rough sleeping on the ground. I understand I'm a little bougie when it comes to that, but I think just the sounds of nature make everything better when you wake up. And it rained, but it's not raining anymore, so fingers crossed, we'll be good till we get to the summit. But first, breakfast. Random owl. Will we eat or will we have to live off peanut butter and jelly for the rest of the day? Killing it.
Thanks.
Eventually, we'll have breakfast, Killing.
Piece of advice I can give you today. Do not eat the package that says, do not eat.
Some great advice, Dylan. Thank you for that. Let me take a look in that bag. Yum.
I don't think it got done all the way. Mine's hard as a rock. PB&J and snacks.
I could never be an astronaut. Trek to the summit continues. This is where it gets cold. You feel it immediately. We're starting to see some actual progress. 'Tis a bit muddy on Mt.Marcy.
Yeah.
Extremely muddy. This is insane. We're like at the same height as that plane. I didn't think we were gonna make it, but we made it. You can see everything. The world is so beautiful.